How to highlight words in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight different words from the book. First of all, open the application. Now you can select any of the book that you're reading. So here I have selected one. Now in order to change the color or even highlight something, simply tap and hold onto the word that you want to highlight. Now here you can select the word also. Now on the top there are different colors available. So here are basically 4 colors. So you can simply tap on the one. So as you can see, it has changed the color. So you can select any of the color and later it will be saved too. So it is a type of bookmark also, and it is a type of importance that you give to highlight anything. So it's according to you which part you want to highlight. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.